Hello everyone, I'm Miss Adams, and today I will be talking about my TIEP for post-secondary. The grade levels I selected are 5th through 8th grade in a pull-out special education classroom. I would normally focus on this lesson with my 8th grade students since it's a vocational skill and it will benefit them more than it would benefit my 5th grade students. The skill I will be focusing on today is stocking. I found this skill on Pinterest, and when I clicked on the image to learn more about the skill, it took me to a blog called Breezy Special Ed. The standards I found fell under the Business, Computer, and Information Technology category. The first standard I found was 15.1.8.J, and it is Explain the Concept of Inventory and its Role in Business. The second standard I found is 15.1.8.J, and it's Identify and Classify the classes and right types of stock. I expect this specific skill to take 2 weeks to master, but we will be working on stocking many different items throughout the school year, so it will probably take the whole school year to master the whole skill of stocking. For this skill, I decided to focus on stocking toothbrushes. You will need a poster board, wooden sticks, and toothbrushes still in their packaging for this skill. On the poster board, there will be wooden rods stuck into it, as you can see on my image here. There's a poster board, and each poster board has spots for each toothbrush, and there are wooden rods poked into the poster board. And underneath the wooden rods, there are images of each kind of toothbrush glued onto the poster board for reference for the students so that they know where each toothbrush goes. The student will then pick up one of the toothbrushes provided and hang it on the wooden rod that corresponds with the correct toothbrush, such as this child is doing here. This activity would be found under the post-secondary section of the transition section of an IEP, specifically under the services and activities section. To assess this activity, I would use a checklist such as this one, and I will put this in the attachments below. After the students have finished stocking the shelves, I will come over and check their work. For every toothbrush that they stocked correctly, they will get a check mark in this column. If they did not get the toothbrush correct, I will mark it in the incorrect column and I will write which toothbrush they put in that spot. So for Jose, in slot 1, he put the toothbrush that's supposed to go in slot 8. So I wrote number 8 there. And in slot 8, he put the toothbrush number 1, so I wrote that there. This will allow me to refer back to the assessment and see which toothbrushes are constantly giving each student trouble. Through that, I will be able to go back and help the students work through the confusion. Maybe the toothbrushes look similar, or maybe the packaging looks similar, and it's just confusing the students. So this will allow me to go back and work with the students to go through each toothbrush and re-administer which one goes in which one. The data that I will be collecting in this assessment is quantitative data, but you could make it into qualitative data by transferring the data into a description. This skill will increase post-secondary success by giving students the vocational skills needed in many jobs, such as the grocery store, a gas station, and a retail store. And there are many other places that this vocational skill could come in handy. Thanks for watching.